We are at IT Forum with Orkan KUYAS, who is a German trader. Orkan, I will let you introduce you and present us your background on the financial markets.
Hello, my name is Orkan KUYAS. In Germany they called me also the Facebook trader because I own the biggest community in Facebook about stocks, where I post every day my analysis and my trades. And yes, I made this since 16 years. I'm trading stocks, futures, commodities, different equities, everything. And this is my work. And I have also in Munich investment company. And yes, all my life goes since the last 16 years about the trading market.
Okay. You say you trade different markets. Do you have a favorite market?
Yes, my favorite market is to trade the DAX future.
DAX future. How do you work? Are you a short-term trader? Are you a swing trader?
Both. In the daily job, I'm a short-term trader. Normally, I tried also to take a lot of points, but the last time I changed again to scalping. So I have a 10 to 10 strategy that I go in the market with a top from 10 points, stop from 10 points, take profit with 10 points, so very short-term scalping. And when I have good signs in the market, I also try to have a daily swing, but also I make swing trades in different stuff like oil or in a stock like Apple or Adidas or something like this.
Okay. What do you use to find the opportunity? Do you use technical indicator? Do you study the fundamental news? Do you follow famous analysts?
No, the famous analysts are for me not good, and fundamental is also not good at the stock market. I only make it with technical analysis, so I analyze the market with the techniques where I can go long or short, but the news, the fundamental things I keep off, and I never hear for an analyst. I'm my own analyst.
Okay. Do you only work with manual strategy, or do you also use automatic strategy?
Yes, myself I work with the manual strategy, but our investment company we use automated strategy.
Okay, so you have also an investment company like a fund or something?
Something like this. We trade in the forex market, and last year a year ago reached like 15% for the customers. But it's a strategy about the forex, like US dollar and something else, and this is everything automated, because when you have bad days on the psychology, you are not fit enough, it's not good to trade. But this is a machine, it's cold, so it has no sense for, oh, should I do or not. He has to do what he has got planned from us, and because of this we use EAs, robotics, automated trading. Yes.
Yes, so a few minutes ago we spoke with a retail trader, and he told us that his difficulty was the psychology part. And you say that it's the problem of a lot of retail traders. What are your advice for them to improve their trading and how they can become better with psychology, with money management, etc.?
Okay, the main thing you told us already is the risk and money management. This is one of the first things. The second thing for the psychology is that they, when they make 3 trades bad, they have to stop the whole day. When you have 3 bad days, you have to stop 1 day full. That means you have to analyze the strategy, you have to find your own setup. Don't try to copy somebody else. Don't try to listen to analytics. And when you have your setup, never forget to stop. And when every time it happens, they fish the stop and then it goes your way, then it's not the fault of the market, it's the fault of you. You have to look in the market and make not so much trades, make easy trades, wait for good signals, and don't become an overtrading. The people also have the problem when they have 2 weeks very good in the market. In the 3rd week, they will lose in 2 days all the money they won in 2 weeks. So when you see it's 2 weeks, 3 weeks going very well, keep yourself a step back, go outside, do something with your family, and not try to try to beat and every day to trade the market. Also try to stay away from the market.
Okay. Sometimes it's hard to know what is a good benchmark. We can see that the big funds, they make like 10% per year, but sometimes individual investor can make way more than it. What do you think? Do you think that 10%, 20%, 30% per year is something realistic or not really? What do you think about this?
And when somebody of the retail traders make in 1 year 10% of his depot, he is good. When you make 20, he's very good. Is makeable. Normally when we trade, I take for one trade 1% stop and 1% take profit. And I opened an account to show everybody. I paid in 50,000 euro, and after 18 days, the depot was about 100,000 euros. So I made in not like a month, 100%. But I make this for 16 years. Don't try to make this. When you have 2%, 3% in a month, you're very, very good. Because the funds have the problem, there's too much money. They cannot bring everything very fast in the market. But when scalp is easier. But for midterm traders, also in stocks, when you make 20%, 15%, it's makeable. In a year, you're good.
Okay. You just been one of the traders of a session with also French trader Tarek Nabil and an Italian trader. We saw your setup and the indicator that you use. Can you tell us more about those indicators? What are they for? Why you use those indicators specifically?
Yes, I can do. One of the main things is the pivot point. Above them, I try to long the market. Over them and down of them, I try to short the market. Then I use the 20 and 50 EMA and the 200 SMA. And when you have the 5-minute chart of the DAX and it comes back to a 50 EMA or 200, I short them. When it comes from the upside down there, I try to long it. Then also I have, I use candlesticks, the doji and the hammer only. But I watch more for good signals in the 15-minute charts, sometimes in the 5 minutes. So for candles and the second candle that you can make also a counter trend trade. And the rest is only using EMAs. Fibonacci you don't need really. It's only for where can it go. But to have turning points, when it's very fast away from the 20 EMA in the 5-minute chart, it comes back to the 20. Try to short, 80% it will work there. And every time try to go with the direction of the market, not against. The most of the retail traders, when the market goes down, they try to make long. When the market goes down, wait for the long and try to short the market. This is easier to catch money on the market.
Okay. A few months ago, we've been in Germany, and I saw you at the World of Trading in Frankfurt. You are quite famous in Germany. A lot of traders know you. What you say they call you Facebook trader. Where can our audience find you? Do you have a website? Can they find you on the social networks?
Yes, on my website, it's called orkankuyas.com. There is a button, Facebook button. There is also called something like DAX, MDAX. They can click on it and come in our Facebook community. But the easy thing is they can understand DAX short, but we talk the rest in German language. But they will see the analysis, they will understand them. For this, you don't need German. And they can find us, they can write me an email when they have questions about the contract from orkankuyas.com or on Facebook when they found me. And on my webpage there is the button for this group or seminars in Lower Main.
Okay, I will put the links behind this video. So if you want to check website and Facebook group of Orkan, you can find it. Last question.
Yes.
So about the events, you've been at World of Trading. There is also other events that you will go. Today you are at IT Forum. What other event will you be?
Yes, a couple of weeks ago I was an Invest also in Germany, in Stuttgart. Now it's IT Forum, and next week I fly to Cyprus to the ITFX or something else it's called there. It's one of the biggest Forex forums in Europe. On Monday I will fly to Cyprus for the next forum in in Cyprus. It's called ITFX, I think, or something else like this.
Thank you, Orkan, for your answers.
Thank you also. Nice to meet you here. It's a very nice day here, and never forget the stop in the market. It's your insurance of your money. Thank you.
Thank you.